Okay, triangle ABC and triangle ADC, they're given. There they are. We want to prove that triangle ABC is equal to triangle ADC by one of the four theorems here. So let's go to the beginning and start looking at what's given. So I have a 30-degree angle at A. So that's my first letter. I will go to my first letter in this one. The way the namings, the way the triangles are named by their corresponding parts, and they go in order. So I would look at the other A over here, and yes, I have equal parts. Put an arc there and there. So I have an A developing. Okay, now I see that I have a side at AC equal to 12. Let's look and see what we got up here. A to C, that's the first and third letter. First and third letter, AC. That I'll put a mark here and here. Now I've got a side developing. All right. Now look at this 35 degrees at C. So C, okay, corresponds to the third letter, corresponds to the third letter. Yes. So we want to put two arcs here and two arcs here. Now we have us our angle. Okay. Now when you are determining the theorem to use here to show congruency, you must look at this angle here and notice that this angle, and if I'm going around this way now, pay attention now, notice that I skipped this side, I skipped this angle, and I skipped this side to get to this angle. You cannot skip but one part. You can only skip one. And if you find yourself, going from an angle, skipping the side, skipping an angle right there, you would stop and go the other direction. So we would go angle, side, angle. These parts here, the angle, side, angle, correspond to the angle, side, angle of the other triangle. And so therefore we would say that the triangles are congruent by the angle, side, angle theorem.